All right, to solve the inequality, since it's a quadratic, we need to get everything on one side. So we got 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 less than or equal to 0. We're going to solve this quadratic equation, get the critical numbers, and then use that to answer the question. So this is factorable. I'm going to do bottoms up factoring. Multiply the 2 to the 5, you get negative 10. Two numbers that multiply be negative 10 and add to be negative 3. That's negative 5, positive 2. Since we multiplied that 2 at the beginning, we now have to divide it. If it reduces like this one, that's great, x plus 1. If it doesn't reduce, move the bottoms up. 2x minus 5. So these lead to our critical numbers. We get 2x equals 5, so x equals 5 over 2. And x equals negative 1. Two critical numbers. We're going to make a quick little sketch with negative 1 and 5 over 2 on our x-axis. Graph our two critical numbers. Now the parabola is going to pass through those 2 points. And since it was a positive 2x squared, it's going to be a U-shaped parabola because it's positive. So it needs to pass through those 2 points and be a U shape. There's a very rough sketch of our parabola. Since it's less than or equal to 0, less than means underneath, below the x-axis. Since it's below the x-axis, we're looking for which part of the graph is below the x-axis. And that's the part that is between the two numbers. So it's from negative 1 to 5 over 2. And since it was an or equal to, that means brackets instead of parentheses.